Okay, we are in the Azure portal. From there, we are going to select the option Create a Resource. Go to the section Storage and select the option Backup Site and Recovery. From there, we are going to create our backup vault. Select the appropriate resource group, the regent, and assign a vault name in this screen. Click Create, and your vault is going to be created. Once it is created, we are going to select the option Go to Resource, and from here we are going to go to the properties of the vault, and we need to enable cross-region replication. We go where it says backup configuration and the link update, and we can see from here that GRS is enabled by default. We can also see that cross-region restore is disabled. Everything that we need to do is to click enable to be able to use cross-region restore. So we click enable and click save, and just wait some minutes for it to be enabled. The next step is to add our virtual machines to cross-region replication. Go to backup items, select the option Azure Virtual Machine, select the option Add, verify Azure and Virtual Machine are selected from the combos, and click Backup. Choose your default policy or any other you have, click Add. Select the virtual machine that you want to enable cross-replication for, and click OK. Finally, click Enable Backup. Again, this is going to take some minutes. You can monitor the progress in the top. After the machine has been enabled, we are going to click the link Deployment Succeeded. We select the vault, select Backup Items, and from here we are going to see that we have two options, either to select the view for the primary region or for the secondary region. We select primary region first, select Azure Virtual Machine, and we are going to see the virtual machine there. Initially, it has a status of warning because the initial backup still needs to happen. Now, we are going to select secondary region just to make sure the virtual machine is there as well. Select the same option, Azure Virtual Machine, and again, we have the machine there with the same status than in the other place. From here, I need to wait until the first backup in the virtual machine is finished and it gets replicated to the secondary region. It could be a couple of hours or much more, depending on the size of your virtual machine. I am going to pause the video and come back later until this activity has already happened. Alright, we are back. And at this point, the initial backup for the machine is already completed, and also the replication, it's completed as well. We need to make sure now in the portal that we are able to restore the virtual machine both in the primary and the secondary regions. So we are here back in the portal, and we need to verify that. So I'm going to select the vault, go to my backup items, select my primary region, select Azure Virtual Machine, click on the virtual machine that I can see that the backup is completed now, and then I can see the different restore points that I have. I click Restore VM. I need to select the point in time that I want to get my restore from and select OK. Complete these fields here and finally click Restore. So that's going to restore my virtual machine in the primary region. So let's see Now, if we have the same thing in the secondary region, which is the purpose of this exercise, select the secondary region, virtual machine, the backup status is now success, click on that. Do now restore to the secondary region. Pick up a restore point, do OK, fill the fields, and finally click restore. I am not going to show the whole restore process in this video to save some time, but at this point, you have learned how to enable cross-region replication, and we have observed how the restores are available both in the primary and the secondary regions. From here, we need to learn some important aspects of cross-region replication. Please stay with me because I am going to show it next.